You guys know I am a fan of sun protection, SPF, things like that. So I'm incredibly excited about this. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my Trendmood Volume 35 box. I wanted to unbox this with you guys. I will pop all the deets and stuff right here. What I really love about Trendmood is you're not locked in. It's not a subscription service. They come out with a box every couple to few months or so. This particular one is $44 with over $300 value. But if you purchase them on launch day, you get an additional 10% off with the code Trendmood. Normally these sell out really, really fast. I have gotten a few of these. I really like, because it's not a subscription, we kind of see sneak peeks and then we collectively see the box as a whole, so you're not going in blind. You automatically know what's in the box. You can kind of determine whether or not you're going to use the products or not. I felt like this time around, you guys, this was a banger, and this was, a lot of products that I knew for sure I'd want to use and products I've been wanting to try out. So I'm incredibly excited. It is packaged well. It did also ship very quickly and get to me very quickly as well. We have our paper in there. We also have bubble wrap and stuff like that. So again, attention to detail, which I greatly appreciate. And I do want to apologize in advance if the lighting is a little bit off today. I don't generally film at nighttime and it's like kind of veering on dark. So I'm sorry about that. I will try to make this quick though. First up, we had a couple of products from Milani. We have the Milani Make It Last Moisture Boost Long Wear Setting Spray. I have tried many Milani setting sprays in the past. I think they're wonderful. I have one right now. And then we also have the new release. This is the Milani Highly Rated Instant Fanning Mascara. So like the Highly Rated, but this one has got more of a like banana or curved wand. I love the packaging. I am a fan of Milani. I think they hit it out of the park 99% of the time. So we got a twofer with our Milani products, already starting off with a bang. Next up, we have the Herbivore, the Bakuchiol Dual Retinol Alternative Serum. And of course, I love skincare and I love Herbivore, so I think I'm gonna like this. And I am incredibly excited to test this out. I love the packaging. It's in a glass container, feels nice and luxe, nice and weighty and stuff like that. If you've tested any of these products, comment down below and let us know. Also, have you tried a Trendmood box before? Have you never really been interested? Or did this one finally pique your interest and you finally purchased? I'd like to know. Next up is the Then I Met You Essence Light Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF of 50. I've actually never heard of them until kind of seeing the sneak peeks and stuff like that. You guys know I am a fan of sun protection, SPF, things like that. So I'm incredibly excited about this. I do quickly just want to see the packaging and stuff, and I will update you guys. I do go through sunscreens very quickly in the warmer months, even though today, as y'all can probably tell by my long sleeve shirt, it's freaking cold outside. It was just 90 degrees. Our weather's just, she's having a meltdown and it's just fine. Next up is the, hopefully, I think it's just Gent. I could be saying that wrong. The Hair and Body Mist, made with red algae extract to boost collagen for revitalized skin and healthy hair. I got scent number 3. I think we could have gotten a choice of 1, 2, or 3, which I don't know the notes. I will look them up for y'all and put them right here for y'all though. And I think we could have gotten in the box, it would have been a random one for this product. It would have been 1, 2, or 3, I think. So yeah, it says made in Brazil. I'm going to give it a little bit of a shake. I do like the packaging. I'm going to spray it over here into the air because in the case I don't like it, I do not want to spray it on my body. Ooh, nice, very fine mister, but slightly aggressive, if that makes any sense. Ooh, oh, I got it in my eye. Okay, that was quite aggressive. It's a little strong, not gonna lie. Generally, that kind of dissipates though. But if you're looking for one that is a little bit more aggressive, a little bit stronger, like you really get a punch from the fragrance. Ooh, I like that a lot. Okay, I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. Like I said, I obviously already knew it was in here. Do I remember everything that was in here? No. But this was a box that I was like, this is a freaking home run. This sounds perfect for me. Next up, we have the Lola V Intensive Repair Treatment. This is an intensive repair treatment, reduce breakage and repair the look of existing damage while protecting from future damage by harnessing the power of chia seeds and superfruit extracts with this naturally derived, intensively reparative treatment for all hair types. Everything in here too, you guys, is full-size items. So we got all of these products. I paid less than $44 because of the 10% off. I mean, hello, that is as big as my big old head, y'all. All right, and next up, another huge thing right here. This is the Maelys, hopefully I'm saying that right, the Be Glossy Smoothing Body Serum. I have actually heard a lot of stuff that is huge. I've actually heard a lot of really good things about this. Again, if you have experience, let us know. Let's see. Smoothing Body Serum. This clinically proven smoothing body serum tackles the signs of aging by reducing and smoothing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, making the skin look firmer and more radiant. Formulated with, not even going to try to say that, to help reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, shea butter to promote moisturized and supple looking skin, and hyaluronic acid to help preserve your skin's moisture for a more hydrated and plump look. And then directions. Apply a thin layer onto the areas of your body with visible fine lines and wrinkles. Massage in a circular motion. I'm excited about this, you guys. And then last but not least, this product has actually been on my wish list for many years. If you know, I have very dry textured skin. I don't use a whole lot of powder. When I find a powder or two that I really love that work well with my dry skin, y'all, I stick to them. But I've seen this so many times. I've wanted to try this forever. This is the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Power. Power? Not what it says. Powder. And it says 8 times hyaluronic acid types. And it's supposed to be a skincare based loose setting powder, invisible matte finish, non-drying formula, multi-zone correction. It has 8 types of hyaluronic acid, high molecule weight. Yeah, I've heard phenomenal things. So I am incredibly excited to test this out. Currently right now, the e.l.f. Halo Glow will always be a favorite of mine. I do like the Charlotte Tilbury powders. And then I'm using up my Huda Beauty one right now. So yeah, incredibly excited. I think you guys, this is a fantastic box. I do want to get this out of my way very quickly to showcase the look of today. And this is using the brand new Greek Odyssey collection from Nomad Cosmetics. It actually releases on the day that I'm filming this, but it is available now. This obviously was gifted to me, and I do have an affiliated code with them. It is RIRI10 for 10% off. And all I did was go in with these 2 shades here. This is my look pretty much every day. I wear my makeup like this all the time now, and I absolutely love it. So I just do like a darker shade, bring over a lighter shade. I went in with this shade, which is so incredibly beautiful on the inner portion. And then I lightly tapped the shade right here just so I could get a little bit of sparkle. And that's what's on the rest of the lid. But incredibly easy, available right now. It's a beautiful collection. I am also wearing the blush, which when I originally tested the collection out, I wasn't really a fan of the blush. If I do not have foundation on, like I have no foundation on today, I just put the blush on. If I don't have foundation on, or if I have a more mattifying foundation or I set my face, I love the blush. But I had some little mixed feelings about it. But yeah, I will run that down very quickly again. We have our By Terry powder, both of our products from Milani, the Herbivore Bakuchiol Dual Retinol Alternative Serum. We got our Lola V Intensive Repair Serum. We got the Then I Met You Essence Light Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF of 50. We got the hopefully I'm saying that right, the Hair and Body Mist. I got scent 3. If you got this and you got the box, what scent did you get? And then the Maelys, the Be Glossy Smoothing Body Serum. Again, all full sizes, phenomenal value. Like I said, I paid right around $42-ish for over $300 worth of value. But that is it. Thank you, beauties, so much for joining. I'd love to know if you picked this box up. Have you been eyeing it? What would it take? What would you like to see in the Trendmood box? Or what would it take for you to kind of say, okay, this Trendmood box I'm for sure getting? And they've done takeovers where it was brand specified. I think if I had to pick, I'd like to honestly see them do a drugstore and a high-end version. Maybe do a L'Oreal takeover, maybe do a Maybelline takeover, Milani takeover, and then the flip side, maybe, Natasha Denona or somebody can create a small little curation for them. So I'm curious what you guys would like to see. and what would make you purchase the Trendmood box. That is it for today. I hope you beauties are having the most amazing day. I hope you guys are enjoying your spring. Thank you so much for joining. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can hype the video, you can tap the bell so you never miss a video, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.